Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today, as you can see, we've got a little bit of fraying going on there. They're calling for 2 to 5 inches of snow tonight into tomorrow. And I've had this happen to me several times since I've owned this plow. It just eventually it frayed out, so I need to clip this and then wrap it around, so it's no big deal. Let me lower it some more. Just gotta make sure. All right. So I can take the hook off, and you can see I have a pair of wire cutters. I don't know if that's gonna work. Otherwise I might have to use my grinder. When you're messing with this cable, always wear gloves, because these little things will nab you in the skin, and it's not good. Painful. You know what? I think I'm gonna grab my grinder. I'll be right back. All right, got the grinder. Perfect. Piece of cake. Just want to clip that little. Bit off. All right. Now I have to get these off to get the hook off. And let's see. Half inch. So I've had this ATV now since 2002. I've had to do this a couple of times, so it's no big deal. Eventually, I'm gonna have to get another cable, but for now this works. So I'm just loosening up the nuts. Like I said, they're predicting snow tomorrow. Last week, tomorrow's Thursday, last week, Thursday night, we were under tornado warning, and actually about an hour and a half south of here, an F2 tornado touched down. Did a little damage. No one got hurt, but it did a little damage. It's weird. We've never had a tornado recorded in this state of Wisconsin ever in the history. This year we've had it. All right, so the cable is empty. So now we gotta clamps on. There's one clamp. I did a double clamp because I just wanted to make sure. And then you put the hook on, and then you run the clamp, back through again, back through again. Get it as tight as you can. As I'm tightening up these bolts, now would be a good time to subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate it. Doesn't cost anybody anything, and it helps me out, which then eventually I could get monetized, and then I could do other things to help other people out, which I do help at times when I can. And again, if you are new to my channel and you want to subscribe, and I know that you're a new subscriber, I will shout you out, tell you and mention your channel name in the next video that I put out. Go as tight as you can. All right, let's hook it. See how that slap it got me. All right, let's give it a try, see if it works. Lay down. Perfect. All set for the snow tomorrow. Alright, that was easy enough. Like I said, I'm gonna have to get some more cable eventually. But that should be it. Appreciate everybody watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.